What up, tube? Back at it with another vlog. So today we got another recurring customer. We're gonna go do 2 cars for her. She's very meticulous about her car. She likes her car very, very nice and clean. It's a nice car, and she also got it ceramic wax. So that makes our job a lot easier, because once it's ceramic coated, you know, a lot of stuff doesn't stick to the vehicle. It's got that nice protected layer, and makes our job a lot easier. So right now we're gonna go get some spotless water. Again, I do have a spotless water treatment, the blue filters and stuff like that, the spotless water treatment. But the place that I go, it's like RO water, you know, it's like reverse osmosis. It's like drinking water, you know. So it's kind of hard to compete with them, man, because like that reverse osmosis water, bro, it's amazing. Like it's you know, it like damn near dries on its own. You don't have to do nothing. And every time I use my my spotless water treatment, it don't matter. I have brand new silicas in there, or whatever they're called. I have brand new ones in there, and it just seems like it still doesn't leave it like the water that I go get. You can't compete with it, man, unless you're doing a RO system base, you know. You're filling up at your house with the reverse osmosis water, because that's the only way you get it to 0 ppms like that. And even with the other one, the spotless treatment, whatever it's called, you're not supposed to drink that water. It says on clear as day right there, do not drink this water. So that tells you they're not purifying for everything. They're literally not purifying for everything. So if they were, you'd be able to drink it. And the place I go get my water at, is you can drink that water. I'm not saying to drink it. I'm not saying to go fill up your water and go drink it, but it is RO water. It's like you could drink it. So again, hey, we missed downtown, so we're at downtown right now. Y'all take a look at the downtown buildings. Downtown, that's what it looks like right here at this spaghetti bowl. It's always busy right here. This is Las Vegas right here. Yes, sir. Y'all take a look. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna come go get this water. I'll show you how I get my water. I put up the chest strap. All right, so we about to pull up to Silver Horizon. We about to get some water right now. Thank God ain't nobody right here, because sometimes it be full. Right here gives me a nice amount of water. Look how quick that fills up right there. See? Nice stream of water.
Y'all make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you can see another video like this.
All right, tubes. We're at the job site now. Trying to get some work done. Stay hydrated, boys. Make sure you stay hydrated. But it's windy today, so we're gonna see how long it stays up. See. We're ready. Go ahead and knock on the customer's door.
So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is prepare our water. We're preparing our water, making sure we got good soap inside of our foam cannon. Question, how much do you guys use inside of your foam cannon? I'm wondering, because I like to make it nice and heavy inside the foam cannon, and that's what gives me a nice thick foam, right? So I went ahead and rinsed down the car. That's what I always do. I rinse it down real quick, and then I go ahead and hit it with the foam cannon, because I feel like there's still a lot of dirt on the car, so I like to knock all that dirt off and then hit it with the foam cannon. I feel like the more dirt we can get off the car, the easier it does for me when it dries. Because if I do well with my water that I get from the place that I get it, I usually don't even need to dry it, right? The water itself would just evaporate. And that's the difference between me using a spotless system and me going to go get RO water, right? That's the difference it makes for me. You guys let me know down in the comment section, what kind of water do you use? And do you guys have any leftover spots on your vehicles? I'm willing to learn new techniques, but as of right now, the spotless water system just doesn't work for me. And make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to see another video like this. So this is car number 2 we're gonna go ahead and wipe down. We've already soaked it up with the foam cannon. It's already nice and lubed up. So we're just gonna go ahead and wipe everything down. And I like to go from side to side, downward, in sections to make sure I get every piece of this vehicle. And at the very, very end, I like to get the wheels and tires. And I like to go ahead and get inside the rim with the special tool that I have. And the way I rinse, I kind of do the same thing. I start from the very, very top, work my way side to side. As you can see, I'm gonna show you here exactly how I get all this water off, because you need to be efficient with your water. You cannot just go all over the place. You see it here, I tackled the very trim, went all the way to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the trim there. Because if you don't get those trims there, what'll happen is you'll have that dripping. Now this water here is spotless, so even if it drips, you do not get any spots because it evaporates if you get the seams correctly. But if you do not get the seams correctly, what will happen is you'll get that dripping. And because there is still soap residuals on there, it'll dry white. Okay, so I pretty much sometimes don't even need to blow out all the insides unless it has like a special type of handle that just accumulates water. Then I will need to blow it out if it just keeps dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping. For the most part, if I do it correctly, I don't need to blow it out. And here we are, we're pretty much done. We're loading everything up. It was just me. We did 2 cars, pretty efficient. And we're gonna go ahead and do the wheels now, because I like to roll up my hose if I do not need to use it, right? I like to get it out the way. I don't like to have hoses there if you're done with it. If you're done with it, roll it up, put it away so you don't be tripping over it, okay? Now I'm gonna let the video play so you guys learn something. Again, these videos are for beginners. Professional won't learn much from these videos. Actually, you might catch mistakes because I'm also a beginner, okay? I do not need to fake it till I make it. I'll tell you guys, I'm still learning, okay? I was in the pressure washing business, turned into the detail business. But if I could do it, you could do it, and you're probably watching this video because you want to do it. So I'm here to tell you, keep watching videos like this, keep staying motivated, and you will do it.
Battery ran out, boys, so we had to recharge, but we're done. I didn't come right away. I waited till I finished and then I came. So sorry if we missed anything, but we are done. So went ahead and finished that one right there. That's one we did. And now we're just gonna put away our stuff here. Let's do what we always do, straighten these out like always. Drill goes up there. Look at how beautiful that thing is. We hit it with the final wax, boy. She's looking good. I've been noticing that when I straighten it out like that, it rolls up on its own. I ain't gotta do nothing. As long as it doesn't get disturbed, it'll roll up on its own. Boom, boom. I kind of want to wipe this off. All of this stuff right here. Gotta get this serviced. To keep my stuff clean. It's been looking a little ashy lately. Looking a little ashy lately. And I don't like it. That's a little bit better. Hit it with some smell good. Take all the eraser. That's a lot like it. Big boy. Gotta keep her clean. Gotta keep the big grill clean. Alright, boys. That's it. They have a little pin. Where's that pin at? There it is. All finished.
make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you can see another video like this.